Hey, Team Quark here. Since the competition, we have been working on getting started, getting going, asking ourselves those deep questions of what do we want to look like, where do we want to go, what do we want our product to feel like. So in that process, we've discovered that it's time to rebuild the app. We're going to be rebuilding in React Native. It's a tech stack that we particularly enjoy. And I'm looking forward to building, implementing, and seeing some great feedback from the community here.
TechCrunch was amazing. We had a lot of fun. We were there for all 3 days. It was really inspiring just to see the innovators that were there. A lot of companies were battling for $100,000, and we were able to see just how attainable it was, how we could easily be one of the teams battling there, just what we saw at 59 Days of Code. Alex and I were talking about how we could see the people that we competed with in 59 Days of Code there battling at TechCrunch, so that was really fun. My favorite part about the whole thing was Priscilla Chan. She had a talk, and she's just a very passionate person. Got to hear a lot of the issues and hurdles that she deals with, but it was really good to see that she's a real person trying to fix real problems and using tech to do it. So it was really inspiring to hear her talk. I learned that it's really important to pick good business partners, these guys, because a lot of new businesses, a lot of hurdles, or a lot of things that you learn about a company and about each other, about yourself, and I think it's just very important to have people who align with your values in order to grow the business and learn.
What was great is seeing how close Fresno is to that environment. 59 Days of Code was really comparable to TechCrunch, and I think within a few short years we're going to be right there as one of the top conferences in the state. So watch out, everybody.